probably have some idea about the thyroid gland. It lives right here. This is where the thyroid is. Most people never notice anything about it. But boy, if you've gained weight, or you're sluggish, or your bowels don't move as well as they should, they're a little slow, if your hair's falling out, if your skin's dry, it can be a lot of different things, but thyroid's high on my list. Fukushima in Japan had this huge nuclear accident. In a nuclear accident, even little tiny bits of radiation go right to your thyroid. To protect your thyroid, you can take iodine. That helps. So in a nuclear accident, iodine helps. You can think about iodine as a thyroid protector. It's also a thyroid strengthener because thyroid hormone is made out of all sorts of proteins and 3 or 4 iodine molecules that hang off the edge of it. So those 3 or 4 iodine molecules, if you can replace them and keep them pretty strong, radioactive material won't attach. So iodine, that's a big deal. You want to think about iodine. But there's others, selenium, boron, those kinds of things. There are great thyroid products, not thyroid hormone, that you can take to support your thyroid gland. And you ought to think about avoiding raw broccoli, raw cauliflower, or soy products like soy milk. They have phytates, they're called, P-H-Y-T-A-T-E-S, and they bind thyroid nutrients. And they keep your body from really getting what it needs to be real strong from the thyroid perspective. When you start to support your thyroid and it really begins to work, what you'll notice is your energy level goes up. You feel better. Your skin gets a little more supple, a little bit more thick and full. Your hair stops falling out. Your temperature goes up, you're not as cold-natured as you were, and you just feel better. So thyroid support's a great idea, and it often works. So think about it.